So it seems like the smart controller is making quite a bit of news lately, whether it be for the good or the bad. The last time I talked about the smart controller, we were talking about the price update due to the tariffs, but today we're talking about something that's really cool, or at least I find it really cool, and that's the released SDK for the smart controller. Stick around. What's up? Welcome back, everybody. My name is Original Dobo, and here on my channel, I do drone and tech related content. If that's at all interesting, definitely go ahead, hit that subscribe button before you leave this video. So today I want to talk a little bit about the SDK that DJI released for the smart controller. Now, Drone DJ did an awesome write-up about this. Hey Kesselu goes into great detail talking about this update specifically. So if you want to know more in a non-summarized manner, check the link in the description below for their article. But I'm just going to want to basically summarize this for people who want the condensed version. Basically, the SDK is a software developer kit that third parties can use to develop applications for a specific piece of hardware or hardwares. Now, the smart controller is not Google certified, meaning that they can't just load the Google Play Store and be good to go. Because of that, third parties have to design their applications specifically for this device. Now, it's been a bit of a problem because when they first demoed this device at CES, Google Play was on the device, but it wasn't functioning, which left a lot of question marks in people's minds. With the price increase of the smart controller, it left a bad taste in people's mouth. I personally still think it's worth it to an extent, but it is still very expensive and was a hard recommendation. But if applications like Lychee and Drone Deploy can get their act together, well then this will be a huge win for the smart controller and maybe make that price increase not sting quite as bad. Although $749 for this is still a lot of money, but this is really cool. So I'm really excited to see Lychee bring their application to this device. No telling on how you would pay for that. Maybe it'll be like an in-app purchase because Lychee does charge for their application, but it does leave the doorway open for applications like Kitty Hawk and Drone Deploy to be able to integrate with the smart controller, which is going to be huge for those enterprise persons. But anyways, I'd love to know what you guys think. I know it's taken a bit of time for them to release this from January till now, but I'm just glad to see it's done. And it sort of affirms the fact that DJI is committed to the further development of this smart controller. Anyways, sound off in the comment section below. What third-party app would you love to see come to the smart controller? I'd love to know. Anyways, guys, I know I sound like Billy. God, why do I sound? It must be the studio. I sound like Billy, don't I? It's the North. It's this set. Anyways, let me know down in the comment section below. I'll see you next time. Peace. Nah, I'm just joking. Stay original.